expert level Italian brain rot animal quiz. Let's go! Which Italian brain rot is this? Top, toby, top, top, toby, top, top, toby, top. Guess this brain rot animal. Tracotucotulu de la peladustuz. Follow and like, or tung tung sahar eats you. Who is this animal? Bombardiro crocodilo. Tag and share with a friend who looks like a la vaca Saturno Saturnita. Can you guess the Italian brain rot animal? Ballerina nicotina. Which Italian brain rot is this? Capu capu cappuccino assassino. Guess who this Italian brain rot is? Ooh! Gangster futera criminalera. Like the video if that was easy. Can you guess who this is? Trippi troppi. Troppa trippa. Any idea who this is? Trippi troppi. Troppa trippa.